Dear followers of Atavatan TV YouTube channel, in this video, we will share with you the top 25 IT colleges in the United States for Turkmenistan applicants. If you need help with your application, you can take translation services from Makul Hyzmat Translation Center. Let's get started. University 1, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, State Massachusetts City, Cambridge, nearby Popular City, Boston. University 2, Stanford University, State, California, City, Stanford, nearby. Popular City, San Francisco. University 3, Carnegie Mellon. University, State, Pennsylvania, City, Pittsburgh, nearby Popular City, Pittsburgh. University 4, University of California, Berkeley, State, California, City, Berkeley, nearby Popular City, San Francisco. University 5, California Institute of Technology, Caltech, State, California, City, Pasadena, nearby Popular City, Los Angeles. University 6, Harvard University, State, Massachusetts, City, Cambridge, nearby Popular City, Boston. University 7, Princeton University, State, New Jersey, City, Princeton, nearby Popular City, New York City. University 8, University of Washington, State, Washington, City, Seattle, nearby Popular City, Seattle. University 9, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. State, California, City, Los Angeles, nearby Popular City, Los Angeles. University 10, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, State, Illinois, City, Urbana-Champaign, nearby Popular City, Chicago. University 11, University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, State, Michigan, City, Ann Arbor, nearby Popular City, Detroit. University 12, Georgia, Institute of Technology, State, Georgia, City, Atlanta, nearby Popular City, Atlanta. University 13, Columbia University, State, New York, City, New York City, nearby Popular City, New York City. University 14, University of Texas at Austin, State, Texas, City, Austin, nearby Popular City, Austin. University 15, University of Pennsylvania, State, Pennsylvania, City, Philadelphia, nearby Popular City, Philadelphia. University 16, University of California, San Diego, UCSD, State, California, City, San Diego, nearby Popular City, San Diego. University 17, Cornell University, State, New York, City, Ithaca, nearby Popular City, New York City. University 18, University of Southern California, USC, State, California, City, Los Angeles, nearby Popular City, Los Angeles. University 19, Duke University, State, North Carolina, City, Durham, nearby Popular City. Raleigh. University 20, New York University, NYU, State, New York City, New York City, nearby Popular City, New York City. University 21, University of Wisconsin, Madison, State, Wisconsin, City, Madison, nearby Popular City, Milwaukee. University 22, University of Maryland, College Park, State, Maryland, City, College Park, nearby Popular City, Washington, D.C. University 23, University of California, Santa Barbara, UCSB, State, California, City, Santa Barbara, nearby Popular City, Los Angeles. University 24, University of California, Davis, State, California, City, Davis, nearby Popular City, Sacramento. University 25, University of Minnesota, Twin Cities, State, Minnesota, City, Minneapolis, nearby Popular City, Minneapolis. Thank you for watching. If you need any translation services for your application, please contact Makul Hyzmat Translation Center. Stay tuned for more updates on Atavatan TV YouTube channel.